Good morning students, you are welcome in Secretary School online class. Today we shall study about our first poem, My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das. Kamala Das was born in Malabar, Kerala 1934 and died 2009. Her pen name was Madhur Pitti and her writing was English as well as Malayalam language. Students, the tone of this poem sorrowful and the theme of this poem fear of separation. Through the theme of this poem you can easily understand about the tone. Why the tone is sorrowful. Actually, in our family members, if you see that if you separate from our family members, if you separate from your friends, your relatives, so you feel bad or you are sad, you are sorrowful. So in this way, here also the theme of this poem, actually what happened, Kamala Das was separating her mother. Actually, she was at her mother's home for spending her holidays and now she was ready to go. So through some points we will try to know about this poem. So first point is going to Cochin Airport. Kamala Das was going to Cochin Airport by the car along with her mother. Her mother was just sitting beside her and suddenly she saw her mother physical appearance. She was shocked to see her. Actually, her mother was dozing, her mother was sleeping with open mouth and the appearance was just like, or her face was Asian like corpse. Corpse means dead body. And she was very sad, looking the appearance, looking the old age of her mother, no energy, no power, no beauty, no pretty. So she was very sad that her mother was 66-year-old and perhaps she can meet her again. This was the problem. This was the problem of the poet. Second point, divert her mind. Actually, when the writer was very sad, she wanted to get rid of this pain, so she diverted her mind and began to see out of the window, and what she saw that trees are sprinting and the merry children are spilling from their home. Actually, children are the symbol of youth and the mother was the symbol of old age. Here is the contrast between old age and youth. Trees are sprinting means time is spending very fast. We are going ahead and actually we are not thinking about our reality, that what is going on. Our life slowly and slowly is spending, we are going to our end. Other point, checking at the airport. And when the writer reached at Cochin Airport, so she faced some formality there and she faced checking of board, checking of tickets, checking of other things and things back, etc. But there she was standing and once again saw her mother. Her mother was standing there because of some distance she was standing, and one thing is she saw and noticed that she was colorless. When you get the words in the poem, when she was van means colorless, she was colorless, she was pale means yellowish. Actually she was old and she was very sad that her daughter was going somewhere and also she also facing separation. So in this way her mother was very sad and here the writer was very sad also. And in this way the writer was said, don't worry Amma, see you soon once again I will meet you. Don't worry, I will come back once again. And in this way, she was smiling, smiling and smiling. Actually, why she used 3 times this word? Actually, she was covering her grief. She was covering her grief, she was hiding her grief, and in this way she was smiling. And through this smile, she wanted to please her mother. Actually, she does not want to show her grief her mother, otherwise her mother will get too much grief. And this way, the mother was standing there for see up to her daughter, and so she went to the airport, to the airlines, and poetic device we will know in this poem. First, we try to know about the style of this poem. So this poem has been written in free verse. Free verse means when the poem is written without any rhyming scheme, then we say here free verse has been used. And next thing, poetic device, she declines face Asian like a corpse. And second one, as a late winter's moon. In both lines, simile figure of speech has been used. I have already taught you in the classroom about the figure of speech. I think you try to see your notebooks and consider everything. If you feel any problem, you can ask me. Another one, trees are sprinting. Trees are sprinting means personification. When any non-living things or abstract ideas are used like a living being, so we say that personification here. Trees cannot run, but here trees are being personified. In this way, we can say that personification is here. And next one, smile, smile, and smile. Only smile word being repeated many times. So in this way, we can say that here repetition has been used. And next one you see, trees, sprinting, married children, and winter moon. All these words have been used, symbols and images. What is the symbol? Symbol means if we write any word or read any word or listen any word, so if we get another symbol. For the example, winter's moon, actually winter moon has been not used. Winter moon has been used for mother, for the writer's mother. In this way, winter's moon is the symbol. And what is the image? Image means if we make any image through any word. For the example, suppose Rajnikant is a lion. The lion, as you write the lion or read the lion, you will make an image in your mind of lion. So here is the image have been used. So in this way, we start that here is the complexion of relationship. Actually, student, what happens? We face many problems in our life because we play many roles in our whole life. We play our roles like brother, sister, mother, father, and etc. So in this way, we feel so many problems. We feel happiness also. But if we separate to each other, to feel very sad. And here in this poem, you can notice that if you separate, you are separating anybody else that you cannot meet or you have no any hope to meet because of old age, because of aging. So in this way, here is the poet is very sad, and through this poem, poet is telling us, our poem is describing about the social problem of us. Okay, students, thank you so much.